In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your bio and also up here into your subheader. Your subheader message is what displays once somebody has typed in your special URL. Mine, for example, would be charbennett.benchmarkrealtytn.com in this example. And once somebody types it in, you're going to notice up at the top there is this little special code, and that code actually puts a cookie on the user's browser so that once they go and view any other IDXBroker page, for example this one, you're going to see my subheader. So I'm going to go back to this page. There's my subheader. It's in red. So what you're going to do first is you're going to log into your IDXBroker dashboard, and you're going to click on the Bio tab. The first tab under Bio is your account contact. Scroll down and you're going to see your bio information. I've already added a couple of links in here. I'm going to go ahead and delete them so I can show you what you need to do. So the first thing you want to do is what link do you want and what do you want it to say. So I'm going to say click here to view my personal website. And I am going to use this like a WYSIWYG editor. I'm going to center it. And I'm going to make the font size a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to go ahead and highlight this. And I'm going to click this little chain link icon right there. And put my site in there. And I'm going to open it in a new window. And insert. And save. Now when you go to my profile and refresh it, you'll notice that the link to visit my personal website's there, and I made it a little bit bigger. To edit the subheader, you're going to go back up here and you're going to click on the subheader tab. This is going to show you your subheader, so I'm going to go ahead and delete my little link here. It works exactly the same way. You can change the text here to anything you want. You can change the font type, the font family, if you want it to look a different way. You can change that as well. So let's say I want it to look like this, and I want it to be blue. I can do that. And then I can add my link in here. And just highlight the link. Click on the little chain link icon. And make sure you open it in a new window. And hit save. Then when you go back to any of the IDX pages, you can see that my font has changed, my color has changed, and now there's a link to my personal website as well. That's it. If you have any additional questions or want to set up a one-on-one training session with us, just give us a call or shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com. Have a great day.
Yeah, pero, yeah.